this video, we are going to understand the mathematical concepts of SVM. So first understand what is SVM. SVM stands for Support Vector Machine, and SVM is a supervised machine learning algorithm which is used for classification and regression problem. The main goal is to find the best boundary or hyperplane that separate classes, and SVM tried to separate two classes with the maximum margin. For example, there is a two classes, class 1 that represent dots and class 2 that represent cross mark. So the SVM find a line, and that line is decision boundary. So this is all about SVM. So let's understand what is SVM mathematics. There are 6 SVM mathematics, that is hyperplane, equations, margin, support vectors, optimization problems, and soft margin, kernel tricks, and so on. So let's understand first what is hyperplane equation. A hyperplane equation is a decision boundary, and the equation is w dot x plus equal to 0. So here, if result is greater than 0, then this is a class 1, and if the result is less than 0, then this is a class 2. Next is margin. Margin is the distance between the boundary and nearest point, and the formula is 2 divided by the norm of w. Here, margin is the distance between the hyperplane and the nearest data point, and the main goal is to SVM try to maximize the margin, and here large margin means the better generalization and the small margin is poor model. Next is a support vector. These are the closest data points to the boundary, and these are the most important data points that directly determine the position of the hyperplane. Suppose if a vector change, then boundary change, and other points have less effects. As you can see, there is a two classes, dotted and cross. Here is the boundary that's separated with the dotted. Next is optimization problem. In this, the formula says y multiplied by w dot x plus b, that is greater than or equal to 1, and the main goal is to maximize margin and minimize classification error, and this ensure that the correct classification points lie outside margin. Next is soft margin. The formula says y multiplied by w dot x plus b is greater than or equal to 1 minus xi. Here, real world data is not perfectly separable, so we allow some error using xi, that is a slash variable, and this allow misclassification and better handling of noise data. Next is kernel trick. This transforms data into higher dimensional. If data is not linear separable, then SVM use kernel to map data into a high dimensional. Command kernels like linear, polynomial, and RBF. So this help separate complex data. Next is decision function. So these are the final decision functions, that is f of x is equal to w dot x plus b. So it is used to predict the class of new data. Suppose if f of x is greater than or equal to 0, then this is a class plus 1, and if f of x is less than 0, then this is a minus class. So it decide on which side of hyperplane that point lies. So these all are the SVM mathematical functions. So the SVM find the optimal hyperplane with maximum margin using support vectors and mathematical optimization to classify data effectively. Thank you.